Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to yet another video. We are here in Calpe at Altea Hills gated, closed and secured community. Today we're going to tour this 1.7 million euro villa, which is right now at this very moment still being renovated. So there's quite a few things missing, but trust me, it's going to be worth your time. It's going to be a shorter video than usual because we are really close in time restraints. But we wanted to show off this amazing villa. The one thing that is interesting with this villa, if we go inside, obviously you will see that to access all 3 floors, you will have a lift, yes, an elevator right at your doorstep. And then on, it goes all the way down. It has massive and spacious spaces. So trust me, it's worth your time. Whether it's a short video or a long video, trust me, you will see this is a great place, a great villa. Now, before we get into the house, I need to let you know that there will be a link in the description. If you are likely to book a viewing of this property, go ahead, check out the link in the description and book yourself a call, and we'll make sure that you are having a viewing of this property. But right now, I'm going to show it to you on your screens, on your phones, to see what 1.7 million euros will get you here in Altea Hills. Let's go, venga. As soon as you enter the house, obviously you are welcomed with this amazing statue. I don't know what it's supposed to symbolize, but it's a nice touch. Now, to my left, which is your right, you have a bedroom right next to you. There's actually 2 of them right next to each other, but one of them has no furniture in it yet. So it's an opportunity for you to explore your creativity. But this one has a bed, as I said, cabinetry as well, wardrobes for you. I mentioned when we started this this tour that this house is still in the planning, in the development phase. So yes, it has furniture, but not as much as you would expect, right? Now, once you enter this bathroom, you can see that they chose the best materials possible for this this property. The bathroom that you can see right here, right now, has a bath, actually. So it is a bathroom, but also has a shower. And it's spacious. It's so big that you could enjoy an extra bedroom in there if you wanted to. It's as big as a bedroom, to be honest. Now, if you come back to the corridor, the main corridor, you can see to your right another washroom right here. It's basically when somebody comes home from a long day of work, you can wash your hands, you can wash your face, or maybe it could be a guest toilet. It's down to you, obviously, how you use this space. But yet again, it has this this very minimalistic look to it. I think this, how should I put it? It's a modern villa. Yeah, it's a modern villa. That's the best word for it. So from my point of view, it needs a lot of decorations, a lot of extra work, extra care, but the builders actually told me that they are still in the works with this. The solarium upstairs, for example, they're waiting for the permissions to put all sorts of things up there, so we can't show you that right now. And right here, they are just been renovating the steps right now. It's some very expensive flooring on the steps. They told us not to touch them because they just been fitted. So we're not going to go downstairs on these steps right now. But before we go downstairs using the elevator, allow me to show you the second bedroom on this floor, which is right here. Again, it's a big, spacious one. Still, as I mentioned, it needs a bit of work, a bit of care. But when it comes to this area, obviously you can put some wardrobes or something like that here. There's another bathroom there, which we're going to take a look at in a minute. But allow me to show you this, if I can open the doors. Check out this balcony and check out the views from your balcony. It's huge. and look at that view. It's Calpe. You can't miss it. Once you see that big rock there, you know you are in Calpe. It's tranquil, it's nice. This has a lot of potential. So you can put sunbathing areas here. You can put your a couple of desks, for example, here. I don't know, whatever you want, really. I'm not going to get into much detail with this because I trust your imagination. When we entered this house, we knew that, okay, if I put a barbecue area there or maybe a couple of sunbeds here, it's going to look nice. But obviously, if you buy this property for yourself, it's down to your imagination. Once we go downstairs, I will show you more about the forest, because you have your own private mini forest right here. That's an extra. But you know what? Let's go downstairs and let's use the elevator first. Okay, let's go. Venga. So after a nice and short elevator ride, we arrived to this living room area. We're going to show you the whole thing because it's on one floor. But before we do that, allow me to show you the kitchen. So this is the kitchen. It's modern, minimalistic, just like the whole house itself. Nothing fancy, nothing over the top, but everything is the best quality. If you look at this fridge, for example, it's huge, brand new. Freezer down here, again, brand new, perfect. The washer, dishwasher as well, Siemens, just like we did on all our tours. Check this out. Wow. That's the microwave oven. Siemens again. Oven and grill from Siemens yet again. And Siemens on the stove place as well. And the suction device is just a big custom nowadays. It's built in. Minimalistic, nice, spacious. Now this is your dining area right here. If you want to follow that, please, Rolly. That's your dining area. Sits about 8 people. Maybe you can squeeze in 10, which immediately correlates to your second balcony, to the pool and your garden entrance and your huge, spacious and very lively, very light living room area. The builders who designed this house had space as an element playing in their minds, right? Look at this huge amount of space. I'm 6'2", 240 pounds, and I'm lost in this huge living room. Now, as I mentioned, you can put all sorts of things in here, but it's minimalistic. That's what the charm of this place is. You can see there's like this little reading or sleeping funny area. Right behind us is the washroom, laundry room, and here is yet another bathroom, a full-on bathroom, by the way, with a shower and everything else for you to enjoy. And now let's step into one of the most interesting areas in this house. Interesting because it's empty, but you know what? Follow me. So I've spoken to the designer and builder of this place, and he told me that this space here could be used for anything. This could be your gym, this could be your play area, this could be your man cave, your cinema room, maybe an extra huge bedroom, anything. Maybe you can make it a workspace for yourself. It's down to you. Although it has yet another bathroom. I think there are like 4 or 5 bathrooms in this place. It's nice, it's spacious. Right now, as you can see and hear, it's empty. So there's lots of opportunity with this place, with this house, with this property. It's down to you. Again, if you're interested to purchase this property or arrange a viewing, make sure you check out the link in the description. Now, there's one more area left that I wanted to show you and share a few details. So, Benga, let's snap our fingers and go upstairs. So yes, we teleported ourselves to the first floor. Well, first or mid-floor, I would say. This is the pool area. As I mentioned earlier, it has lots of potential. Right now, it's empty. It's waiting for you to use your creativity and do something with it. It's an infinity pool, as you can see, and it has your very own forest. Yes, this is yours. So you have a forest, and you have the view to the Mediterranean Sea. It's huge, it's big, and once the upper deck is built, this place is going to be ready for an investment. So if you want to get in early, this is your chance. Now, I asked the builders and the owners what else I can tell about this place. First of all, it's minimalistic, obviously. So if you are into the minimalistic design, you can either work on it to make it bigger, better, and more, I don't know, agglomerate, or you can use it as it is. Second of all, it has floor heating on all 3 floors. Third of all, they're still waiting for the permission to build something upstairs, so there will be yet another layer of this beautiful house added. And it has an elevator. What more do you need? So, thank you so much for joining us today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked today's video. If you are interested, make sure you check out the link in the description. Other than that, see you in the next one.